Hi, this is Susan from Brooklyn Tropicali, and I'm going to show you today how to use Hootsuite to schedule all your social media posts for the week, and also how to use some of their other features to grow your audience and engage with them more. First, you will want to create an account in Hootsuite, enter in your information and preferences, and then you can add a social network here. They allow you to link your Twitter, Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, WordPress.com, not .org, Instagram, and YouTube networks here. So the first thing I want to show you is how to schedule your posts. That's the most important feature. So the best thing to do is go to Publisher, and you'll always have this box at the top of your screen where you can compose a message. You can choose which social networks you will post to. These are the 3 that I have linked. If you are uploading a photo, you can drag it directly into the compose box and it will upload here and show you the progress. And then you can add your caption or your tweet or your Facebook message in here. And then you can choose which social media networks you will send this to. Right now I currently have it set to Facebook. I can also choose to add Twitter or Instagram or all of them at once. So then there are a couple other options here. You can attach media. I already attached a photo, but you can also attach a video. There's a location option, which only works for Twitter, but the tricky thing here is it will only pull from your GPS location at that moment. So if you're posting a photo or something from a previous place, you don't have the ability to adjust that to whichever location you want. So to remove anything, you can just hit these X's. And there are a couple other options here to target your particular audience or to have privacy options, and some of those only work with certain networks. They will show you when you click on them. So I can schedule it here. I can choose the day of the week, the time, and then hit schedule, and it will immediately then go into my queue of scheduled posts here. Next, I want to show you the streams feature. So that is located here. And this gives you the option to have different tabs showing you different social media networks or different pieces of information from each network. You can also create a new tab completely customized however you like. You just go to the plus sign here at the top to create a new tab. You can name it anything you like. So let's name this Instagram. And then this gives you some options for ways you can create your stream. It shows you which social media networks are available for each option. So let's go to Browse All Streams. And over here on the left, it'll show you the networks that you currently have linked. You can choose any of them. Let's start with Instagram. And then it shows you each stream that is available. So you can choose to have my posts in a column. You can choose to show the photos that you've recently liked in a column, and then any photos that you have scheduled. I don't have any scheduled at the moment. And a really cool feature is you can choose to show a user. So if you have competitors that you want to monitor and see how they're doing, or if you want to have some accounts that you can use for inspiration, you can add them here. So you just type them in, hit add, and it will create a column just for them. You can also create a column for hashtags, so you can think about whatever hashtag might be relevant to your company or brand and add that. And that will immediately show all the photos that have recently been uploaded with that hashtag. And then another cool feature is you can add a location. So if you're based in a certain location or you're currently posting in a certain location, you can add that here to see who else is posting there and engage with them. So you can add any location there, and it adds a column for that as well. You can also directly engage with other users from the screen. You can hit like, you can comment directly here, and you can also click on the user's name and see their bio, their number of followers, their number of people they are following, and also choose to follow them or unfollow them from the screen. Hootsuite also has some other options like creating reports about each of your social media networks and engagement, adding other team members and assigning them work with a pro account, and also creating campaigns to gather email addresses for your email list. So I really encourage you to create a Hootsuite account and begin setting up your social media scheduling for the week and also exploring some of these other options.